You search for how to buy shares of Bank of New York Mellon Corp. Bank of New York Mellon is a global financial services and custody company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BK. This video is educational only and not financial advice. You need a broker account to buy shares. I will use eToro as an example. After registering, you will typically verify your identity with an ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BK to find the listing. Make sure the result shows Bank of New York Mellon and the NASDAQ listing to select the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the name, ticker BK, and the NASDAQ listing to ensure this is the right share. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be pending, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add them before confirming. After execution, or if the order is pending, your position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.